one bed. Parrot one. Take a seat so the people on the back they can watch too, please. Kids, take a seat. Otherwise, the people on the back they cannot watch. Please, kids, all of you take a seat, please. Take a seat, please. So the people on the back they can watch too. Close, thank you. So I have a sunbed over here, and I need a parrot who likes to go to the beach. Let's Mike.
Isa.
Mike is on the beach. Now please walk on the beach and keep on the sunbed. Is this yours, Mikey?
Good boy.
Let's go for work next time.
Sábrose. Lay down.
Okay, Mikey? Well, here we go.
Good boy.
Mikey's on the beach, isn't he?
Bravo.
You okay, Mikey? Having a good time? Okay, alright. Maybe we should do it one more time, just in case anyone of you couldn't
He's
do it,
angry.
Michael.
He's angry.
Will you be a good boy and do it one more time, Mikey, for everybody? Mike is getting ready. And well, the sun is up. Mike. Bravo, Mike.
Good boy.
Good boy, that's right. But you know what? When Mike doesn't want to stay anymore at the beach, do you know how he's going home? Mike is doing that same thing with the bicycle.
Oh, great. Huh. Alright.
So, Mikey.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Be careful. Bravo, Mikey.
So, I left the bike here on the table because I have another cyclist which is faster than Mike. What do you think actually? Which parrot behind me gonna ride the bike better than Mike? Which parrot? What do you think? Coco, yes, who else? Is our productivity parrot?
Even YouTube.
Coco, loco. Sorry.
Oh.
Bravo, Coco!
Focus.
One time.
Again.
That's a good job. Bravo,
Good
that's
boy,
right.
Cookie.
Bravo, for our good cyclist, Coco, loco.
Bravo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our last trick, but just before that, I would like to say something about the red parrot, or maybe he will say something to you.